Welcome to the Microsoft Tips Showcase, where we provide quick, single-topic videos on how to do something within a Microsoft-related tool such as SharePoint, Dynamics, Office, etc. SV MacPack is a certified veteran-owned and HubZone consulting firm supporting primarily the U.S. federal government. In support of our customers' need to maximize the value of the tools they currently invest in, we started creating related videos. We hope these videos help you as well. In this video, you're going to learn how to find changed, edited, or deleted items. We're going to move quickly to keep the video short, but don't worry, if you don't get it the first time, you can watch the video again to really understand this lesson. We'll start this lesson by going to a team site. I have it open here on this tab. So the first thing we want to look at, and a quick tip, is on how to find things. Here's a document library. I'm actually going to go into the library so you see it a more traditional way. Here's our files. I have a test file in there, and what I'm trying to show you is versioning. If a file is changed, you want to see where it was changed. So if you go into versioning, you can see here's the history of the file that you had in there. It was a budget file. Somebody changed it to planning. I don't know why that crazy person, Neil, changed it to planning, but that's not right. When you're editing a document, you want to be able to go back and find it. And this is awesome. Any change that happens will come up. So let me go ahead and hover above this change, or the previous version before the change, excuse me. And all you have to do is click Restore. You can view it if you're not quite sure if it's the version you're looking for, if you have a lot of different versions. But just by hitting Restore, you're going to replace that version. You see how there's 5 versions right now, right? I'm going to come back and show you that there's 6 versions. There you go. So now there's a 6th version. It does not get rid of that planning change. It doesn't get rid of anything else. And that's really good for 2 reasons. One is you never want to compromise your version tracking. The other is auditing and records management. Sometimes you do need to know the changes. It was changed from budget to planning, and then it was changed back. This is your audit trail. That is how you find and restore from changed versions. But what if somebody deletes an item? So there was 2 files in here. There was 3 files for my example. Well, the first one is we want to sit there and be able to find out where the file is gone. So inside of SharePoint, it has a recycle bin. I'm going to go ahead and go up here to Site Settings. And inside of Site Settings, I'm confused. I'm going to pause. So I'm going to pause for a second completely. Okay, break. Now I want to find deleted files. There was a couple of files in here before. I just don't know where they're at. So the way we can track down deleted files is go into the site contents. There's multiple ways you might be able to do it. I'm showing you the one that works here. You go into site contents, and up here on the right-hand side, you'll see recycle bin. If you go ahead and click on it, there's 2 items in there. And you'll see the logo test that somebody else had done earlier, and you'll see this test deleted file. And that's the one I kind of want, but it's not the one I really want. It was something else I was looking for, and it's not there. And so down here on the bottom, it's a very good message here. It says, can't find what you're looking for, check the 2nd stage. And I just want to let you know, if something goes into the recycle bin, typically it stays there about 30 days. And then it moves on to a 2nd stage recycle bin. And here, you need more administrative rights to be able to find this. This is kept a little longer depending on your administrator settings, and you can find out how long that is. But it's a potential to find it. But here's the one I really wanted. In order to get it back, I just select it, choose Restore. It restored 1 item. This stage is empty, so the 2nd stage recycle bin is empty. Let me go ahead and go back to my document library. And you'll see there it is. There's that file there. Just one more time for the other file. I'm going to come over here, and I'm not sure where that guy, Neil, had deleted my files. But here it is, and I'm going to restore it. So I select it, and I'm going to restore it. It's pretty fast, pretty straightforward. If somebody accidentally deletes your files. You can find them in the recycle bin for a certain amount of time, which is awesome. If somebody accidentally changes your files, you can find them in the version history to be able to update that. That concludes this lesson. I hope you found this tip useful as you continue to use Microsoft-related products in support of your day-to-day job. Please provide me with feedback in the comments, letting me know how I can make the Microsoft Tips Showcase channel and actual tips more useful to you. Feel free to suggest tips we can create for you, and we will definitely get them on the schedule. Finally, if you found this review helpful, please share it with others on one of the social media platforms. I'm your host, Neil McDonald with SV MacPack. I thank you for joining me today and hope you'll join me again for other tips.